Oh my God, summer's here. It's hot as shit out there. How hot is it gonna be in our Porsche? Let's go find out. All right, let's cool this Boxster down and let's see what kind of temps our air conditioner is producing for us real quick here. Get that down. Yep, that's as low as it will go. Let's find out. Get our temp gun here. Let's turn this on. And what are we looking at here? Let's point it inside that vent. Yeah, no, 72, 73, 74 degrees is not going to cut it in Phoenix, Arizona in the summertime. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brian, and if this is your first time here, I ask you to give me a like and a subscribe. Maybe drop me a comment if you are a Porsche owner. My channel is all about Porsches, whether it be the old school air-cooled or the new modern water-cooled Porsches. If you're into those, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and follow along in our adventures as we repair, restore, and modify our Porsches on a budget. Thanks, guys. Get your front open, come in here, remove your battery cover tray, get that out of the way, and then on the passenger side, let's pull off, or driver's side, pull off that tray as well. There's just a few little screws that keep it all in there. And here you'll see your air conditioning filter. There's a cabin filter up there, and one of the wires from the previous owner. But right here, this is where you're going to turn on or connect your AC charging adapter. That goes right here. Let's go take a look at what that looks like. Go ahead and unscrew this. Kind of give you an idea. Little black cap right there. Okay, let's go check it out. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a can of the gas or oil, refrigerant, and most of the modern Boxsters and Porsches using the new standard, the R134A. And this tool here, this here basically has a gauge to tell you what your reading is. This side gets plugged into there. This side gets plugged into the car. So let's get this attached onto the car and we'll go from there. Okay, to attach that, you just pull that up, push down until it locks into place, and then you can hook it up, and it's hooked up. Now, let's go in the car, let's start the car, and let's get that AC running. Let's let it run for 3 to 5 minutes to cool it all the way down. All right, we have the car started. We're gonna come in here, hit auto, take it all the way down, recirculate, and we're going to let this happen, let it idle, let it cool down as much as we can for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll go and check the gauge out there and see what it reads. So let's hold out and enjoy this. Hopefully you can hear me, but here's a tip for you. When you have your AC on, both of your fans on both sides of your Carrera or Boxster should be on high. They're trying to keep the car cool while the AC is keeping you cool. So make sure those are on and keeping the car cool. Okay, let's see what we got here. Yeah, barely even registering. We are way low. Rattle the can, give it a minute or two. Rattle the can, give it a minute. Rattle the can, give it a minute. Okay, let's see where we're at. Alright, we just need it to be topped off. So let's get back inside and let's see how much cooler we are. Alright, moment of truth here. Let's get our gun. Let's get this baby on. And already, yes, it does feel cooler in the car.
And that's the kind of temperatures I like to see in my Boxster in the summertime in Phoenix. Brrr. But oh, nice. Okay, that wraps it up for how to recharge the AC on your Porsche Boxster or Carrera. Catch you guys next time.